Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. Today I'm just doing a quick tutorial about whisks. I have seen people use a whisk like they're stirring something with a spatula or a spoon, and so I thought it'd be a good idea just to go over the three primary kinds of whisks that there are and what you use them for. This is a balloon whisk, and they bubble out at the top. And what you use a balloon whisk for is to get down into a bowl and to pull up. So the motion is where you go around. You go like this, and you use it to beat air into things. The bigger the balloon, the more air you're going to get. So that's something to keep in mind. People in kitchens that was their job, was to beat the whipped cream and to beat the egg white. And so that is what a balloon whisk does, is air. This is called a French whisk, and it's thinner. And this is a really good whisk just for basic overall use. You can use it instead of a balloon a lot of the time, but it's good for batters and things that you have to incorporate a little air, or you just want to beat it quickly and get it out of the way. I find I don't use this as much as I used to. I always pick up my balloon whisk. So if you only have to have one, it depends on how you use it. Both of them are great. It's up to you. Then this guy, this is called a Roux whisk. A roux is something that's half fat and half flour, and it makes like a paste. Then from there you make a sauce, like a bechamel sauce. So this whisk lives at the bottom. It's a bottom dweller, if you will. It goes into the corners and into the crevices of a pan, and you still have the whipping action. It's not for air though, it's just to incorporate things. And it works better than a spoon because you can get into every little nook and cranny, but this is for the bottom of your pan. But these are your three basic kinds. So now you know.